we've got Lewis in chair today, and what we're going to have done today, mate?
Think about skin fade.
Are you going full skin or are you just going an open, like a zero?
I've not had a full skin before, but I think I might have one today. Yeah,
Going for a full skin?
Yeah, I think I might go for it, yeah.
Yeah, no worries. Right, so let's crack on.
Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Sorry if I sound a little bit rough. I have actually got COVID while I'm recording this, so I'm not going to be talking a lot during this one. I will just pop up in between each stage just to have a little chat and let you know what I was doing and what I was actually thinking. So I actually started off with a number 3 guard, and I'm using the JRL, and they sent me a fade blade, and I've got to say it's very comparable to the fusion blade on the Gamma products, so I really enjoyed using this. So now I'm going to set in the ball guideline, and I've got the clipper with the lever fully closed, and I'm just going to work from one side, and then I'm going to go to the back, and then I'll move round and I'll start at the other side and join the two. During the consultation he did say that he wanted to go all the way down to skin, but after we started he did say that he actually just wanted to keep a zero, so just with the closed taper and just stick to what he knew, which, to be fair, with the colour hair it doesn't make that much difference. To be fair, it did look like it was right down to skin anyway. So now we've opened the lever all the way open, and we're going to set in our first guideline, and we're going to go up about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch, and just again work all the way around. Just try and keep it as consistent as possible. And like I say, it does have salt and pepper hair colour. There's all different colours. You can actually see the different shades just like working all the way around. So as you see, what I'm doing is I'm just working all the way around the head, and I'm just working my way through the lever, just moving it a notch down at a time until I get to the bottom of the guideline, and hopefully that should erase that bottom line. So we've closed the lever and we're just going to work onto that bottom line now. Hopefully this should erase that. So now we've put the number 1 guard on, we're going to open the lever up and we're going to work around, again go up about 3/4 of an inch, just work the way around the full head, but as you can see, just as I get up to the top, I just flick away a little bit just so it doesn't create too much of a harsh line. So we're going to go through the process again. So what I did then, just knocked it down 1 click and we're just going to stay under where we put the line in. So I hope everyone's enjoying these videos. I'm having a lot of fun making these. I think it's also good because it's kind of pushing me out of my comfort zone, putting my work out there for everyone to see. So yeah, it's certainly different. I'm sure everyone's seen as well that I am going to do a 1000k giveaway live. I will do that. I haven't 100% worked out how I'm going to do it yet. I'll probably put a video up and get everyone to comment on that, and then in turn do a live comment generator and pick a winner like that. It will be for a absolute alpha, so it is a great clipper. So where I'm pointing there is where the line is from the 1 guard. So whatever I can't get out with the 1 guard, this is where I put the half guard on and go with the lever halfway open and then just work away at that bottom line. Now we're just going to go in and do a little bit of clipper over comb just to tidy it up a little bit up in the parietal ridge. This is a technique that I am really enjoying using, although it is a tough technique. I do use it a lot now. And I do keep getting better and better at it. It's just practice makes perfect. Now we've put the 2 guard on, we're going to open the lever to make it into a 2.5, and where we've just done clipper over comb, we're just going to go into that and we're just going to flick away just as we go up, and hopefully it should blend in quite nice. And as you can see, obviously the colour of his hair, there is dark patches where it's got like dark colour greys and light colours. So we're just having a look now just at the new mat that I got from JRL. It's a really good mat actually, it keeps it nice and organised. As you can see there with the clippers, it's magnetic so they all stand up as well. So I've just dampened the hair down, and this is going to allow me to put the Mohawk guideline in, and this is just your stationary guideline, so it sets up it perfect for each and every cut that I do. So we just determined between us how much they actually wants to take off. Then we set in the Mohawk guideline, brush it all forward, and then take sections just working from front to back. And as you can see, that there's the guideline there, the short bit and the long bit. We're just going to remove the long part just to connect it to that actual guideline in the centre. So now we've got the hair cut on the top to the length that we want. What I normally do then is find the recession point and section that off and make it fall down, and wherever there's any dark spots or any weight, I use the thinning shears and use the wide end of the Park 332 and just take some of that weight out, and it just gives it a nice soft finish. And also guys, if you're interested in any of the equipment I use, the shears or the clippers, you know, you can head over to SHEARPOLICE.com and use code Rusty10. They sell Gamma products as well, so it does help out. It will get you a bit of a saving. And also if you head over to Gamma USA and Stylecraft Pro USA, you can use code Rusty10 there as well, and again that gets you a 10% discount, which all helps. It all helps you out, it helps me out, and it'll help my channel to grow as well. Right guys, so if you have liked this video, remember to smash that like, the subscribe, the notification bell so you never miss any of the videos that are coming up.
A little bit of waxing, so we don't need a lot, just a little bit. Just rub it into your hands, make sure that it's all rubbed in. And then this is where people go wrong, because normally when you're putting it on yourself, you'll go from front and you'll leave clumps. If you rub it in and go from back, start rubbing it in from back, so front, and then obviously you'll style it if you want it a bit messy. And there we have our finished look.
So once we've taken the neck tape off and we've undone the back of the cape, this is where you can go in with your trimmer. I normally go in with the trimmer, get rid of any of the long hairs, and then go in with the foil shaver just to give it a nice clean finish, and then a little bit of alcohol spray. Again, just these little touches, people love it, and this is the finished look. So leave in the comments down below what you think of it, and we'll catch you in the next one.